Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we will see how you can fix if your taskbar is not working. As you can see, when I click on the upward arrow, I get the icons, but when I click on the Wi-Fi, sound and battery icon, I don't get any response. So to fix this issue, there is very easy step. You just need to open your task manager, and after that search for explorer.exe. Now when you get the explorer.exe, you just right click on it and click on restart. Wait for some seconds, and after that you will see Windows Explorer is restarted. This simple trick can fix this issue. Now when you click on the Wi-Fi, sound or battery icon, you will see it is working fine. Hope this small fix will help you. If you find this video helpful, then do like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more such updates. Thanks for watching.